Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, 86 video, 93rd video, there is quite possibility that you get confused friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comment friends, okay? And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I will spell it for you friends, okay? It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJEE 1906. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called how archaeologists and palynologists reconstruct Asian scene. So this was the video which I covered on the last topic. And friends, in our today's topic, I'm going to cover the concept called how to receive guidance from your subconscious. This topic, friends. Okay. So friend, this is 137 number video topic and the name of the video is how to receive guidance from your subconscious mind, from your subconscious. So friend, let us see what author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic friends, okay? When you have what you term a difficult decision to make, or when you fail to see the solution to your problem, begin at once thinking constructive about it. So friends, here author Joseph Murphy is telling to us that whenever we say that there is a term called difficult decision to make, or whenever we do not see some solution to our problem friends, okay, and we begin to think constructively about it, so we should always start beginning to think constructive about it friends, okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic friends, okay. If you are fearful and worried, you are not really thinking. True thinking is free from fear. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling to us that if we are worried, that means we are not really thinking friends, okay, because true thinking is free from all the fear. So if we are free from all the fear, that means it is a true thinking friends, okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic friends, okay. Here is a simple technique you can use to receive guidance on any subject. So friends, here author Joseph Murphy is telling that there is a simple technique which we can use to get guidance on any subject friends, okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic friends, okay. Quiet the mind and still the body. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling it is very important to quiet our mind and to still our body. Tell the body to relax. We should always tell our body to relax friends, okay. So this Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, author Joseph Murphy, it has to obey you. So our subconscious mind will definitely obey us friends, okay. So whatever we say, our subconscious mind is going to do it friends, okay. It has no violation, initiative, or self conscious intelligence. So, the author Asimov is telling it doesn't have any violation, initiative, or self consciousness intelligence, friends. Okay, so this author Asimov is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, your body is an emotional disk which records your belief and impression. So, the author Asimov is telling that our body is an emotional disk which records all the belief and the impression, friends. Okay, mobilize your attention, focus your thought on the solution to your problem. So your author Asimov is telling to us that friend, we should always mobilize our attention and we should always think the solution to any of our problem friends, okay. Try to solve it with your conscious mind. So we should always try to solve our problem with conscious mind friends, okay. So this author Asimov is telling to us in this topic. Think how happy you would be about the perfect solution. So your author Asimov is telling we should always think that how happy we are going to be about the perfect solution, friends. Okay. Sense the feeling you would have if the perfect answer were yours now. So we should always think what feeling we would have if the perfect answer is our answer is our at any point of time friends, okay. So if any point of time we get a perfect answer, we should think how happy we are going to be friends, okay. Let your mind play with this good in a relaxed way. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling, let our mind play in this good way, in a relaxed way, friends. Okay. Then drop off to sleep. So friends, here author Joseph Murphy is telling, after that immediately we need to drop off to sleep, friends. Okay. When you awaken and you do not have the answer, so here author Joseph Murphy is telling to us that when we are awakened and we do not have answer, get busy about something else. So we should always get busy with ourselves with something else, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. Probably when you are preoccupied with something else. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that when we are going to get preoccupied with something else, friends. Okay. The answer will come into your mind like a toast pop out of a toaster. So answer is going to come in our mind as the toast pops out from the toaster, friends. Okay. In receiving guidance from your subconscious mind, the simple way is the best. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling, in receiving a guidance from our subconscious mind, the simple way is best, friends. Okay. This is an illustration. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling that this is a complete illustration, friends. Okay. So let us see what is this illustration. I once lost a valuable ring, which was an heirloom. So the author Joseph Murphy is telling he once lost a valuable ring, which was an heirloom, friends. Okay. I looked everywhere for it and could not locate it. So the author Joseph Murphy is telling that he looked it for everywhere and he was unable to locate it. At night, I talked to the subconscious mind in the same manner that I would talk to anyone. So in the night, he talked with subconscious mind in the same manner in which he talked with everyone, friends. Okay. I said to it prior to dropping off to sleep. So prior when he was going to sleep, author Joseph Murphy to sleep, he said, "You know all things." So this was the thing he said to his subconscious mind, that you know all things. You know where that ring is. So author Joseph Murphy said that you know where the ring is, and you now reveal to me where it is. So then it said that now you reveal to me where the ring is, friends. Okay. So let us see what happened. In the morning, I woke up sudden with words ringing in my ears. So in morning, he woke up suddenly and the words was ringing in his ears. Ask Robert. So it was a word called Ask Robert. I thought it very strange that I should ask Robert. So author Joseph Murphy thought that it is very strange that I should ask Robert, a young boy about 9 years of age. So he was a young boy about 9 years of age. Okay. However, I followed the inner voice of intuition. So, the author Joseph Murphy is telling that, however, he followed the inner voice of intuition, friends. Okay. Robert said, "Oh, yes, I picked it up in the yard while I was playing with the boys." So, Robert said, "Yes, I picked up from the yard when I was playing with the boys. I placed it on the desk in my room." So, he said that I placed it on the desk in my room. I did not think it worth anything. So, he said that I did not think its worth is anything. So, I did not say anything about it. So, he said that, so I did not say anything about it. The subconscious mind will always answer you if you trust it. So the author Joseph Murphy is telling our subconscious mind is going to always answer us if we trust it, friends. Okay. So friends, this topic came to an end, and in our today's topic, I've covered the concept called how to receive guidance from your subconscious. This topic, friends. Okay. And friends, in tomorrow's topic, I'm going to cover the concept called in the next topic, how subconscious revealed the location of his father's will. This topic, friends. Okay. This topic. So friends, this topic came to an end, and I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay, and I will be meeting you in the next video.